Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Elf Cam app and overview and use. So let's get started. So here I will just open the Elf Cam app. So here you can see. So I will just search for the Elf Cam. So here we'll just open. So here it is basically a app for the children's type of thing. So here we'll just do agree. Yes, I am like here you can just do. So here you can just start by here you can just do like this. So here you have to pay for some premium and you can use it. So by this way you can do it and you can watch the video too for the Elf Cam. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.